meta ġietni il-telefonata sorpriż għal kollox biex jgħid isma' nixtieq inkellmek hekk qalli. Kont qiegħed Lourdes mal-familja u all right. Ngħidlek issew tant ma kontx nistennija.
Jkun hu nnifsu li ċempillek?
ċempilli s-segretarju qalli l-isqof Grek qalli hawn il-papa ħajkellmek u jien poġġejt fl-art fuq bankina għax ġifieri ħassejt id-dinja nieżla fuqi tajjeb. Jien qatt ma kien ċempilli kont nisma' li l-papa jċempel imma qatt ma kelli dak il-kuntatt. Somebody called me from Malta. He told me, the Pope has just announced that you are one of the new cardinals. I couldn't believe him. I thought it was fake news, no?
Fake news.
But then immediately other phone calls arrived, messages. And so I said, the first thing I should do, I have to go to a church and make a prayer. I begged God to be merciful with me, to help me so that I can fulfill diligently, faithfully this new call, because for me, the church is really close to my heart.